Click on the link below to get price. The Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is a game-changer for cyclists seeking comfort on long rides. Designed for both men and women, this innovative seat cushion aims to eliminate discomfort commonly associated with traditional bike seats. One of the standout features of this product is its unique noseless design, which significantly reduces pressure on sensitive areas, allowing for a more enjoyable riding experience. The extra padding is immediately noticeable. Made with high-density foam, the cushion provides excellent support without sacrificing comfort. During my test rides, I found that I could pedal for hours without experiencing the usual soreness that comes with conventional bike seats. The cushion's surface is also covered with a breathable fabric that helps wick away moisture, keeping you dry and comfortable, even on warm days. Installation is straightforward, fitting securely on a wide range of bike seats. The adjustable straps ensure that the cushion stays in place, even during bumpy rides. I appreciated the attention to detail in the design, such as the non-slip bottom that prevents any unwanted movement. It's evidently constructed to withstand regular use, maintaining its shape and cushioning properties after multiple rides. Furthermore, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion's portability is a plus. It's lightweight and easy to remove, making it convenient to take along for bike trips or to store when not in use. The cushion is also easy to clean, which is an essential feature for anyone who rides frequently. However, it's worth noting that while the noseless design is great for comfort, some may take a little time to adjust if they are used to traditional seats. Overall, this product is a worthwhile investment for any cycling enthusiast looking to enhance their riding experience. The Noseless Bike Seat Cushion successfully combines innovative design with practical comfort features, making it highly recommended for anyone looking to ride longer and more comfortably.